Hey guys, welcome to a new video on AINet. Today we're gonna cover the new subscription plan from OpenAI. We will also focus on some speculations going around in the AI community. So let's get into it. So this is a statement from ChatGPT, OpenAI, introducing ChatGPT Pro. So let's read it together.
As AI becomes more advanced, it will solve increasingly complex and critical problems. It also takes significantly more compute to power these capabilities. Today, we're adding ChatGPT Pro, a $200 monthly plan that enables scaled access to the best of OpenAI's models and tools. This plan includes unlimited access to our smartest model, OpenAI O1, as well as to O1 Mini, GPT-4o, and advanced voice. It also includes O1 Pro mode, a version of O1 that uses more compute to think harder and provide even better answers to the hardest problems. In the future, we expect to add more powerful, compute-intensive productivity features to this plan. ChatGPT Pro provides a way for researchers, engineers, and other individuals who use research-grade intelligence daily to accelerate their productivity and be at the cutting edge of advancements in AI.
Well, thank you for reading it out loud, David.
It was a pleasure.
So as David has stated, OpenAI is changing their direction and implementing a $200 a month plan, which enables you to have unlimited access to ChatGPT. This sounds amazing, until you begin to think about the downsides to this. Just think about it. Is this a gateway to keep on raising the price for better models? This could erase the possibility of the common folk being able to use AI to its full potential. Speaking of full potential, let's take a look at the new O1 model OpenAI has released, which is included in the new Pro plan.
So I want to give a short demo of ChatGPT O1 Pro mode. People will find O1 Pro mode the most useful for, say, hard math, science, or programming problems. So here I have a pretty challenging chemistry problem that O1 preview gets usually incorrect, and so I will let the model start thinking. One thing we've learned with these models is that for these very challenging problems, the model can think for up to a few minutes. I think for this problem, the model usually thinks anywhere from 1 minute to up to 3 minutes. And so we have to provide some entertainment for people while the model is thinking. So I'll describe the problem a little bit, and then if the model is still thinking when I'm done, I've prepared a dad joke for us to fill the rest of the time. So
I hope it thinks for a long time.
You can see the problem asks for a protein that fits a very specific set of criteria. So there are 6 criteria, and the challenge is each of them asks for pretty chemistry domain-specific knowledge that the model would have to recall. And the other thing to know about this problem is that none of these criteria actually give away what the correct answer is. So for any given criteria, there could be dozens of proteins that might fit that criteria. And so the model has to think through all the candidates and then check if they fit all the criteria. OK, so you could see the model actually was faster this time. So it finished in 53 seconds. You can click and see some of the thought process that the model went through to get the answer. You could see it's thinking about different candidates like neural ligand initially. And then it arrives at the correct answer, which is retinochisin, which is great.
Well, after seeing the O1 Pro mode demo, we can see its amazing potential. Although, this still raises a lot of concerns. Is OpenAI planning to leave the common folk behind and only focus on the people able to pay $200 a month for a top-of-the-line model? Well, the answer is probably yes, they are. While you can still have a lot of use out of the older models, the Pro plan is being put behind. Let's have a look at the current subscription plans from OpenAI. Well, as we can see here, the Plus plan looks a lot like the free plan and is being put significantly behind the Pro plan. This raises questions like, is the Plus plan still worth the $20 price tag? And is the Pro plan set at the right price? Considering there are equal models out there with a significant lower price. Well, it's time to surprise you. There have been speculations in the AI community about a $2,000 subscription plan from OpenAI. This amount would certainly leave the common folk behind. Here's a statement from Sarah Friar, the Chief Financial Officer of OpenAI. David, could you please read it for us?
Of course. With pleasure. OpenAI Chief Financial Officer Sarah Friar said it's reasonable to eventually charge business users thousands of dollars a month for its artificial intelligence software to better reflect the value the technology provides to companies.
I want the door open to everything.
Friar said in an interview, when asked about a recent report that the company has discussed a $2,000 monthly subscription for its AI products.
If it's helping me move about the world with literally a PhD-level assistant for anything that I'm doing, there are certainly cases where that would make all the sense in the world.
The chatgpt maker currently offers consumers a $20 per month subscription tier, as well as a newly launched $200 monthly option for access to its most powerful new models. OpenAI also charges businesses a flat rate per seat, meaning per user at the organization. In the future, however, Friar said OpenAI could charge customers based on the value they get from using the startup's products, particularly in the enterprise setting, whether it be lawyers who turn to AI to have a paralegal at their fingertips or academics who rely on it for a research breakthrough. That could help offset the tremendous costs of developing AI systems. The possible shift to a value-based pricing model for its software comes as OpenAI is nearing the launch of an AI agent that can use a computer to perform complicated tasks like booking travel or conducting research. Such tools could prove to be more economically valuable to companies in part by automating roles. Friar said,
How might you have had to finance that otherwise? Would you have had to go out and hire more people? How do you think about the replacement cost to some degree? And then how do we create a fair pricing for that?
Well, after hearing Fryer's statement, it has become clear that this $2,000 plan has a real possibility of becoming real. Is this what Elon Musk meant with OpenAI not being open anymore? Like OpenAI closing off its best models behind a big paywall, restricting the common folk of the ability to use their top-tier AI. This shifts the whole paradigm of AI for everyone to AI for those who can afford it. Maybe it's time for the people who are focused on AI to get the best benefits. Well, this still raises questions like, would a steep price be an example of other top-tier AI companies? If the $2,000 plan actually gets released, it could be a real possibility that others will follow through. That will create a big wave of AI companies raising the prices. But what now? Should you be concerned about the AI companies raising the prices? Well, it depends on the type of person you are. What do you really use AI for? Does it bring you financial gains? Or do you use it for personal gains? In the case of personal use and just surviving the AI revolution, I would be concerned. This is a sign that the doors are slowly closing, and a sign that the time where AI only benefits the top is coming closer. You may not like this statement, but it is the truth. Companies will never truly care about the common folk. Does this mean we should all give up and lose hope? No. This means we should prepare to adapt in the best way possible. But how do we prepare in the best way possible? Well, that's another topic, way too long to cover in just one video. But don't worry, I'm currently busy working on a project focused on surviving the AI revolution. The project's called Curiosity Cured the Cat. But furthermore, back to the topic. The short answer is don't worry about it. Once the greedy companies reach artificial superintelligence, they will find out for themselves. Until next time.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video. Did you subscribe already? I'm waiting. Thank you for subscribing.